In this video we are going to learn about display property, which is one of the most important property in CSS. So we have our previous file open here. If I inspect element and open the developer tools, again I will select the box here. The box is selected. As you can see in the left corner here, when I hover the mouse over the box, you see a red, like a gray color here. It is gray or something like red. As you can see, it is because when we select any div element, the div element by default has a display of block. If you come look at here, this is the user agent style. Some tags in HTML have the display of inline, and some of them has a display of block. So you should understand which one does which one. This is very important to know, because sometimes when you design your website, you don't know why some of the layout in your website is not working and some of them are working. That is because of the display property here. If anything is displayed to block, it will take the entire page. Paragraph is the same thing, like this. You know, the box is only 400 pixel width, but still it's taking the whole page. Let me show you the example. If I come, here is the box starting here and ended here. If I create another tag here, let's say we have a section tag here. Inside section I have a little paragraph. If I save it and refresh my page, why this text is not displaying here? We have an empty space here, but it shows here. It is because the box displays equal to block. Block means take the whole page. It does not matter what. The way you change it, just come here and display to inline, something like that. If you are display to inline, it will take only their own space. As you can see now, it just removed everything for our design. That's why it displays something like that. But for now it's okay, because if you understand about the design, and as we go further, we will make it better. If you display it inline, it will take only the same line. As you can see, the color is the color for the paragraph here. The color is white, that's why it does not display. But when you display it inline, it will take only that page here. That's why you mostly do not write inline. You write inline block. Inline block means take the size that you have, but you should think about the content too. The box should be as much as the content. If I write, for example, if I write inline block for now, as you can see now, it display better. I remove the height, something like that. Now it is taking only its own space. If I hover over the mouse here, now we don't see the gray screen here. It shows like this. Now why the text is still here? Because we did not tell the text that you should come here. That's why you can take the text here. That is the difference between display of block and inline block. So mostly you do not write inline, you write inline block, which takes only its own space. You don't write if you write block, it will take the whole space. Some tags in HTML, they are already displayed as block, and some of them are displayed as inline block. And the inline block, mostly they do the good job. They take the space that they need. This is about display, and in the next video we will learn how you can bring the text in this side. So I hope it has been informative for you. Thank you for watching.